What's up, guys? It's Steve the Graphics Guy. Today is part 2, redo the van shelving. Why are we redoing it? Well, first I had it on this side and that really wasn't enough. I thought it was gonna be great. I thought it was gonna be nice and compact, leave plenty of room for other things. And as soon as I put all those things in there, I realized, oh, what have I done? There's not enough room in here. So today, switching it, going to the other side. I have to rework a couple things here, but I'm gonna have more room. It's gonna be a much better setup, and I'm gonna get right into it. All right, a little different than the previous side. I had put rib nuts and stuff above, but because I was able to do that here. But on this side, it has this whole cable tray. So a smarter option would be, there's already factory upfitter points, rib nuts welded into the van. On the sides, they're just underneath these panels. In my case, not everyone has these panels. So I just popped off these panels, located the holes, drilled them out with a step bit, and now that's gonna be my mounting all the way across. I have to do the same thing down here at the bottom row above the wheel well, and then I'll be good to start chopping wood. All right, so round 2, I got all of my uprights cut, and I seem to go a lot faster this time, probably because I had a template, but I cut them a little differently too. My angle cuts, I actually just cut with a circular saw, and you would think that's meant for going straight, but it takes a curve pretty well. It's a lot more stable than a jigsaw that can go in and out, you know. And so I decided to do that this time. It came out way better. And so I got 4 of these. And then I just cut a whole stack of these, which are going in between my uprights and are gonna bolt to the van top and bottom. So I got 6 of these cut. I might need a few more, but I'm gonna pop them into the Craig jig, get some holes in them, screw a couple uprights together, and mount them into the van. So let's do that. All right, now that those are done, let's go into the van and start putting some of these together. We're going through the side door. All right, there's one. Here's 2. All right, so I got my 2 uprights. Got my drill. I need some bolts. Hold on. Pretty sure these are the ones. Yep. And 3/8 will work for that if I do a pretty good job. Might be a little difficult for you to see. So that's the top piece. So that's what I got. 3 on that side, 3 on that side, up there. Solid. So that is one. but I do have to fasten it. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know. I kind of just want to build them all first and then fasten it, but if you know what happened last time, that's a bad idea. Wilma, you want to come in the video? Come here. This is a Wilma, the sweetest girl who loves wood, and she's having a field day today because there's just wood chips everywhere. Right? Okay. Do you want to go sit in your seat? Go ahead. Oh, watch your head. Okay, thank you. Next. Alright, we got another one here. I know it's not much to you. A couple pieces. Get us started. And then while I'm up here, part of my plan, I think, is to put the ladder up here, all the way in the front, up by the bulkhead. Alright, I wasn't too thrilled about rebuilding the box for the tables, but I have all the pieces. Let's build a box. So the next improvement I did is this little shelf here on top of the wheel well, and I did that because I don't want stuff to fall on the other side of the wheel well. So it's something I didn't do over on this side, and now I'm going to do here. I just have to figure out, the floor is kind of soft, so I have to figure out where exactly that needs to go so I can screw it in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here she is, stacked up. So got the tables all in there, created that little shelf cubby, got one underneath. Yep, snuck some wet floor signs back there. Trying to make use of every little bit of space. This is just like, I started this same day, like the redo, second half. And kind of flew through it because I had the templates, kind of really good idea what I wanted to do. If I remember, I'll put a picture of a sketch I made last night. So hopping in here. Got some different bins. Got my stack that's gonna roll, that doesn't yet. I need to get a base made for that. I already have the wheels and everything. Yes, they also make one, but It's not perfect. And then I realized that this other Milwaukee bin on wheels fits in there perfect. It is snug, but I had just bought that not that long ago. It's the one with just the sliding drawer, and I want to continue to use it if for some reason I don't need like this whole stack. What am I'm filming? Anyway, cubby hole for the ladder. That thing's perfect. Got some more mounting points there because there weren't any behind the ladder. And then this is that painting pole I was talking about. Got that mounted, got my Swiffer, got my backpack. I'm gonna do some 3D printed mounts for my lasers. My levels and my straight edge. So I want to make that super easy to get in and out because in my last van it wasn't great. And then this side is just open, free for activities. And up front, we don't have much going on just yet. I got some safety stuff, safety shoes, vest, helmet. And then I'm gonna do, because I like to store some stuff up here, I'm gonna do some type of like carpet inserts or something so that stuff's not rolling around and scratching the plastic up. Got the dash cam, got the easy pass, got the garage door opener, got the Wilma. So I think we're all ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this van build for me in the sign and graphics industry. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. Be sure to give me that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and before I forget, if you want to see what's in these bins, I guess you're gonna have to wait for the next video. See you then.